Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a box out of only 4 things. And it includes paper. It's basically a paper box and it's pretty easy. So, wait, let me get one thing. I'm gonna go as fast as possible. Okay, let me tell you what you're gonna need. You're obviously gonna need a paper. I'm doing it on here, on top of here, but it's textured, so I'm using it. I'm trying to move this picture more forward. I'll go right here. And instead, I got this metal book that it comes with this inside. Gonna need a paper. It also comes with the pen. Then you're gonna need a pen, scissors, and glue. I don't have any small glue, so I'm gonna try to go very small. First thing you're gonna need is open your pan, make sure it works. Then basically just do a line, like for an example right here, just so it could be like the corners. If you do it far apart, that means you're gonna have smaller edges. But if you don't do it so big, then you're not gonna have that small edges. So yeah, I'm just going down. Once you're done doing that, you're going to, mine has lines that I'm going to cut up to the second one. Same thing with this one. Yeah, so now that we have these thingamajiggies, now we're just going from the line that we cut it, we're going to like fold it like this. And then we're going to undo it like that, and then unfold it like that. Then do it horizontally like that. Don't worry guys, I know what I'm doing. So now that we have that, it's gonna look like this. And then, because if you see right here, this is like going like that. That's basically gonna be like our little edge. So that's where we're gonna glue. Okay, that's way too much glue. No. And then just glue it and hold it for a few seconds. I'm gonna get a paper towel, a tissue, just to wipe off the extra glue. Okay. Gonna look something like what? Gonna look something like this right here. Then you're just gonna do that for the rest. I'm just gonna put a little bit on my finger. A little bit. That's enough, like that. Then put it on here. Wipe my finger. And then And do like that. And voila. Beautiful. This one's way better than the other. Ugly. Beautiful. Beautiful, ugly. Beautiful, ugly. Okay, now continue that for the other steps. Oops. Why am I not showing my face? Oopie. Because my phone doesn't really focus. Yeah. If I would have to go on my knees. Then I'm doing the last one. Get out a little bit too much. So yeah. Oh guys, go subscribe to Dennis Daily. He posts awesome videos. I know on Roblox it's like old thing. Not that old, like 2017 and it's 2018. But it's still really cool, so go subscribe to him. He's awesome. I'm not sure it was his like third last one, and then it was like Fortnite. So yes, this is our box, and I made this in school. It's in Spanish because maybe I go to any like bilingual school. I mean English class. But I made this. So I'm gonna cut down here. Oh guys, if you live in another country and today Sunday / Mother's Day, happy Mother's Day for you guys. Tomorrow for me is Mother's Day. Oh, and on my last video, I was with the adorable puppy. His name is Oreo. Okay, I tried to cut it. I know it looks weird right here. Yeah. I'm gonna cut right here because it's just gonna look weird. Gonna chop off my name, but who cares? It only has half of the A. Yeah, I'm gonna write it in the back instead. This ain't no race, but I still take Christmas. Stole your man just to shove it in your face. Okay, so this is the beautiful artwork. Still not done. I gotta write some things on there. I'm gonna write Happy Mother's Day to Mommy from Ashley / baby. I know you can really see that, but now I'm just gonna try to fold it really small. How is that supposed to fit like that? This ain't no race, but I'll still take first one. No, this still will not fit. I'm going to fold it right here next to me. Okay, so like that will not fit because it's still too big. So yeah, that's weird. I'm gonna fold it one more time like this, just so it can fit. Then right here in the middle, I'm gonna write Happy Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day, Mommy. Oopsies. And I'm gonna write in cursive, love you. There. Voilà. Now, and it's blue right there. Because we're this ain't always spot us so tight first. Okay, this is the finished product. Waterfall. So, bye guys. Happy Mother's Day. Oh, and the question of the day is, would you rather every single day, if you're a girl, would you rather every single day of your life wear makeup or neutral? Right now I'm wearing neutral. I'm not wearing makeup. And if you're a boy, do you have acne or no? I know that's a good question. Oh, if you're a boy, are you strong or not? I am actually strong. Yeah, I'm gonna put this right next to my bed. I know it looks small, but who gives a damn? Okay, so bye guys. Hope you have a great day.